Hello guys and welcome to ProTradersNetwork. So for this video we will go overview the market and what we want to see on the next week. So we have some index like Dow Jones and the NASDAQ. Also we have some stocks Apple, Expedia group. Also we go to review our trade for the last Friday on the EURNZD and how it went. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like and see you on the videos. Hello guys, so welcome to the video. So now we will go and analyze the index of Dow Jones Industrial Average. So here we discussed it in the last Sunday, the last week, and we see that the price has respected our analysis. So as we see, and we said like on the last Friday, we said we was here in the 25 June, and we said that the price have some space to go more upper into our previous resistance here at 34,840, and that's what the price make in the last days of the last week. So yeah, but we must put into consideration this week, this pin bar or inverted hammer, as you want to call it, no matter, but we must put this rejection, this buyer pressure into consideration. So the price reached this level in our resistance. So what we want and what we would like to see on the next week. So I think that we could and we can go to our next resistance, next supply zone at 35,000 or $36,000. Once we broke and we break above those highs. So the high of this week's at $35,100. So if we broke and if we break above it, I will go long position until our next target 36,000. So yeah, I think we can see the Dow Jones hit the 36,000 in the next weeks. So this is for like swing traders. And yeah, so nothing much to say about the Dow Jones, because we analyzed it in the last week. So we was like in bearish flag pattern and we broke above it here, but we have this resistance, this supply zone with this wicks rejection. So if we close above it with like bullish candle, let's say it can be like this, just some time. If we do kind of source like this, let's do it on blue. If you do like this and do also like this, so we just, you can enter immediately, or also you can let the price to go a little bit upper, break and confirm that break, and after it can like retest this support, this resistance which came support, and see that the price is holding at this area, so we can go for long position toward our target on $36,000. So yeah, this is my analysis for the Dow Jones in the next week. That's how I think that the price could react, and yeah, we will update on the community, so don't forget to join us if you want that. And yeah, let's head to our next index, the NASDAQ. So on the NASDAQ, we can see that we are in bullish slanting trend, like very clean bullish, very clean movement. So in this area at $177, so we kind of like formed a descending triangle as we see here. So the price start to decrease and start to have a decrease in volume of buyers. But once the price came from this high at $180 toward $175, we saw that the price hold this area, hold that price at $175, which is give us like the idea that it is like a strong support zone, and it will not let the price to go and fall down. So it was like mini bearish candlesticks, and after, boom, a bullish one, and it kind of formed like a tweezer bottom as we see here. Sorry for that. As we see here, it's kind of tweezer bottom, so we must put this into consideration. So for that, I believe that the price on the next week will go upper, especially if we have more next candle that it can break this descending triangle and close above this bearish, a lot of bearish candles, 1 2 3 4 5 candles. If it close above it, so we confirm that we are going bullish on the next weeks. All right guys, and also we can take a buy from here if you are aggressive trader. But if you are a normal trader without taking a lot of risks, so you can let the price to break, and after retest this zone just right here, just a minute, you can let the price to retrace. All right, so to retrace at this zone here, and after you can buy at this area here at 179.78, so you can ride the price until $190. So yeah, this is on the NASDAQ my analysis. But also for the short seller, for the short traders, sellers, bears, I don't expect the price to fall down, but let's say if the price just coming in and after break this level, retest it and show some resistance here to hold the price, so we can see the price hit to our previous support at $160. All right guys, so you must put it in mind, keep in mind this. But for me, I believe that the NASDAQ, we are bullish on the next weeks. All right, so yeah, this is my analysis. And yeah, let's move to the Expedia group stock. We have it here. So yeah, this is my analysis here. All right, we are trending bullish on the last weeks, last months, and we did create support and resistance, broke through it and created the new high at $187, and after back to retest our support at $160 and showed some rejections that the price is, this area is holding the price and holding the stock perfectly. So this is a strong area, strong support, strong demand zone. So I think the price is bullish on next week's, so we can hit into our first target at $180, and after to our second target, full target at 189 or $190, so it's previous high. But also we must put into consideration this moving average, dynamic moving average 100. So it shows some rejections here, and we broke through it to the downside. As we see with this big bearish candle, we broke through this moving average, dynamic moving average, and it's strong one, the 100. So we must be very careful into entering our trade on the Expedia traveling group. So we can see the price reject here and hold this resistance, and after fall until our previous support here at 143. But I don't believe that, and I think that we are long on Expedia group because it's a traveling online company. So we are in summer and like with the end of the quarantine time, so I think they will do great on the next months. So I think that we can reach again our previous high at 187 and maybe more, why not? And also what make me like have like bullish intention, positive intention with the Expedia group, because also we have like tweezer bottom here created like exactly on the support, on the demand zone. You can see perfect tweezer bottom, and after next candle bullish. So you can like, some traders took bullish trade here at 163, and after maybe they sell it in the next minor resistance at 169. So it would be perfect scalp trade. But for me, I will just wait, and I will wait for the breakout of this moving average, so we can break through it to the upside, and after a retest, show some retest here, and after I will buy here to reach the price until our previous high. So yeah, this is my analysis in Expedia group. Also we will go toward Apple. Yeah, where are you, Apple? And also just one thing, I didn't mention it. I said this analysis on the last week when the price was here. So I said that we are a little bit bullish and after bearish to the previous demand zone, and after we will go upside. On the community here we can find that post. So as we see here, I said that we are going to do like some rejection here, and after back to our previous demand zone to the upside after. So yeah, this is just one note, and after I will go just to Apple. All right, okay, let's go to the Apple. We analyze it on the last week also, and it respected our analysis. As we said, we are in ascending triangle. Also we have a thoughts to buy, intention to buy from the dip when it comes back to our trend line, upper slanting trend. But the price did our second expectations, second probability, that it broke above the 137 level, which is a strong level of resistance on the Apple stock. So we broke through it, and after from 137 it goes and it went toward $140. So we expect the price to go more bullish on the next week until our previous high ever into at $145. Also we're gonna wait the price to coming in. You can enter the trade here or wait for a little bit of retracement, and after you go to long position. And also when the price coming in here in the previous high, we can see that the price break also and gain some bullish momentum. so it can go to $170 on the next weeks, but we can reach our previous high also at this resistance at 145 $144 dollar, and after do a retracement until our area here at 137 138 to retest it again and show some holding, some rejection here, so we can confirm that the price is going bullish on the long term. So yeah, this is my analysis on Apple. And yeah, we can now like move to our trade on EURNZD for the last week, on the last Friday actually. So I give it to the community. I said trade action here, and for a sell position after break this trend line, and after we did the correction and the retest, so we formed a double top here at the resistance. So I was sure that we are going short to the downside, so I took this trade, and after this is how it went. So I just closed the trade at 70 pips because I didn't have like to wait all the time, and the closing market on Friday, so I didn't like have the intention to let the trade continue. So I closed it just here, and I took 70 pips and I closed the market. So yeah guys, if you want, join us on the community. We will give you like a free trial of 1 week, and after you decide if you join us, if that's give you a value, so you can join us and we will be happy like to help you. So see you on the next video, and take care of yourself. Hit the like buttons, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys on the next video.